You can expect a lot from the 2017 Jeep Patriot. Under the hood, you'll find a 4-cylinder engine with more than 170 horsepower. And for added security, Dynamic Stability Control supplements the drivetrain. 4-wheel drive allows you to go places you've only imagined. The following features are included: a rear window wiper, one-touch window functionality, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, an outside temperature display, a roof rack, and a split-folding rear seat. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 4 well-positioned speakers. Jeep ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. We are here to help you.